What does H98 code on a Panasonic microwave mean? It has stopped working.
Hi. I am a professional appliance repair consultant here to help you diagnose and repair your appliance. The H98 error code indicates a primary failure in the magnetron or inverter circuitry. This is like your body telling you that you are having a heart attack. Serious but possibly repairable. If it is the magnetron, the repair will run about $250 to $400. The inverter will be a little more depending on the extent of the testing that the tech does to be sure that is the problem. Whether you decide to repair or replace depends on your personal budget. These are good units for the most part and worth repairing in my opinion. Unfortunately, this is not a DIY repair. Advanced electronics knowledge will be required. Thank you for allowing me to assist you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.